Where we at, Eric?
We at the gun range up here in Gaffney, right next to the Broad River.
Yeah.
And
what you got there?
Come to sight in my new Savage 7mm short action ultra mag, 110 Nikon Pro Staff 3x9 on it.
That's a nice rifle.
Sure is.
And then we got Joe. What's he got? What you shooting, Joe?
Let's see. Shooting my 98 Mauser, 8mm Mauser. Rossi 4570.
Oh, that's a nice one. Look at that lever on it.
Pro staff on it. Yeah, it's got the big loop.
That's a Rooster Cogburn on it.
And my 243 I need to sight in.
I like that one.
And hopefully they shoot pretty good.
Alright. I've always liked this place. Are you going to put your target up?
Sure enough.
All right then. Pick metal level.